This is Simon with HSC UAV presenting the R4 controller. This is our newest controller for our agricultural line of products. Very excited to show you. It's got a lot of really nice features. Comes with the case. So this is a controller. It's got a nice little tablet mount on the front. Replaceable antennas on the top. We have our 4 switches. We have our flight mode, pump mode, our AB mode, and our terrain mode, along with return to home and our flow function and our power button down here. So to power it on, we just push it once and then hold. We can see our battery level and the lights down here. This controller has up to 20-hour battery life, so extremely long battery life. It's weather resistant with dust boots around the gimbals. And one of my favorite features is just how well it will hold your tablet. It's extremely adjustable. You can put it in almost any position. And because the tablet mount folds up, it fits right back into the case without taking it off. The last feature I love about this controller is that it has built-in live video streaming, which is now standard on our 15, 10, and 20-liter models. Again, R4 remote controller, hscuav.com. Check us out online, hscuav.com. And check out our other videos on YouTube too.